welcome back to my channel. Today I did this eye makeup look. This is a very smoky, nude, cut crease eye makeup look, and today I have tried to keep the entire look, I mean the eyes as well as the face, on a very nude side, and I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video and also like this look. And if you want to know how I did this, then please do keep on watching this video. Before that, if you're new to my channel, then please do take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This would mean absolutely everything to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. So hello guys, I have already done my face makeup, the foundation, the concealer, the setting part, and also the brow, basically all those stuffs. And I would be jumping straight into this eye makeup tutorial. So for priming my eyes, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit concealer, and I would be going very precisely under my brows to cover up any stray here and also to prime my eyelids. Now taking this concealer brush, I would be blending everything. Although it's already blended, I tried blending it with the help of that flat concealer brush. Now I'll be dipping this fluffy blending brush in the tub of the sugar translucent powder, and I will be lightly setting my concealer, making sure not going too overboard with it. So my eyes are finally primed, and so I'm using this Blackjack 21 eyeshadow palette by Nude Cosmetics in the variant Meangirl. Initially I'm taking this brown shade called Break Even, and I would be applying it on the crease area, and I'm going a bit higher than my usual crease area because I have hooded eyes, and if you want to know what is hood, then when I look straight, this extra fold of skin is my hood, because of which I do not have enough lid space to do my eyeshadow, and therefore I need to apply the transition shade a bit higher up than where is my crease area, my usual crease area, sorry. The brush today that I'm using is by PAC. This is the PF08. This is a really beautiful brush, and I would highly recommend it. Next, I would be taking this black shade, and shade is Jackpot, I guess. Yeah. And the brush that I'm taking is a tapered blending brush from PAC, and I am packing this color on the outer corner. I wanted a smoky kind of a look, so I'm using this black color, and I am taking very little color at a time. If you want to see, this brush is a black color. I guess you guys can see the amount of color that I've taken. It's a black color. And I'm going with very light hand. Next, I'm again taking that previous brush and blending the black color with the crease color again. I'll be again applying a little bit of it, the black shade, and while working with black color, I personally do not take too much of it because this is high tendency with me to mess up the entire look. With the same brush, I am taking a little bit of the black color again and then blending it. So here you need to be a bit more patient because this step would require multiple times of picking up the color and then dragging it and then mixing it. Make sure that you do bring up the color to the middle part of your eye, because If it isn't the case, then after making the cut crease, the gradient or the color difference won't be visible. So slowly and steadily I will be building the intensity of the crease color and blending this black shade. Another good thing about this palette is it doesn't have too much of a fallout. I haven't faced much of fallout. But then one thing you can do is after picking up the color, you just pack up the excess and you take your time to pat up the excess. So once this excess dusty thing comes off the brush, you won't face much problem with this fallout. But nevertheless, if the eyeshadow is too chalky, then definitely fallouts are there. But yeah, credit goes to this palette, it doesn't have much of a fallout. I think the intensity is quite a bit, maybe a bit more in the corners. A little bit. And here as well. I think I built it pretty nicely. And next, I will be cutting the crease. So I'm again taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'll look straight into the camera, into my mirror, and mark where my outer border or the upper border of my cut crease would be. Just as I showed you earlier that I have put it like this, and if I go along the crease line, this natural crease line, then what's going to happen is that my cut crease will be hidden. So I'll make the outline first. I think the outline is done, and next I will be cleaning up a little bit. Since it's a half cut crease, so I would be going halfway through my lid. So taking this small blending brush, I'm taking this brown shade again and a little bit of this black shade, going with very light hands. Next, taking a pencil brush, I'll blend it. And for setting it, I'm again taking this powder a little bit, and with this fluffy blending brush, I'm setting my concealer. Next, I'm taking this flat shaded brush and I'm taking this pink shade called a U-Bet, applying it all over the cut crease space. For lining, I am taking the Spaces Canada Magnet Eyes Liner, and I will be making a small wing. For my lower lash line, I'm taking this brown shade and I will be going on the entire length of my lower lash line. And finally, taking this pencil brush again, I am taking this black shade and then smoking out the outer corners. brown shade a bit more to blend everything and make it look well blended and seamless. I'm taking the PAC Kohl Pencil and aligning my lower lash line. And I think of tight lining also a bit. And finally curling my lashes a bit. For the mascara, I'm taking this KIKO Milano Sculpting Mascara, and this is a really beautiful mascara. I heard that KIKO makes the best mascaras. No, I mean not best, but probably one of the best. Okay, so my eye makeup is almost done. Only part left is highlighting the inner corners and also my brow bone. I'll be taking the same pencil brush and cleaning it in the back of my head. I think it's clean enough. Clean enough. And for highlighting, I would be using a matte shade basically. I mean, not that glittery. So I'll be going with this shade called Bashful, right? And then I will be highlighting the inner corners a little bit. Yeah. And finally, my brow bone. So finally this eye makeup is done, and let's get quickly into the face makeup. So for contouring, I'm taking this Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. My hair and going lightly. Taking the same bronzer to contour my nose very slightly. And for the blush, I'm taking this Deborah Milano blush. It's so pigmented, you guys. So I need to go with very light and for the highlighter, I'm taking this Megaglo highlighter. And finally comes the lipstick part. So for that, I'm using this PAC lipstick in the shade Brunch. I think my blush is a little less strong. I need to add a bit more of it. So I did the falsies behind the camera, and at last I found that the boundary between this, not boundary but the border between this cut crease area and the lid space area was not clearly visible. So what I did is that I took this brush, and I've already wet it with the setting spray, and I took this pink shade and I am going just precisely along the border to get that really clean demarcation. And I think the border is quite prominent right now, and I will be doing the same thing this side. Yeah. So this is it, and I really hope you guys liked this look and enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, then please do give me a big thumbs up. I will be back again with a brand new makeup tutorial. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and bye bye. I love you all. Wait, that's not it. I asked to be, but the fact still is. Hunting down, runs around.